Hey, first you have seen the my channel. Subscribe and like this channel and share your friends also. Today I am talking about the, the concept of Kubernetes cluster. It's doing in on-premises. Okay, already doing that, but this is the less time to doing this process. Okay, uh, go to the topic. Go to in AWS console uh, using Mumbai data center. I'm using for Mumbai to Asia Pacific. Click it. Is doing the resources of EC2 instance. The no instance running in this data center. Um, I'm launching instance one master and one worker node is built in on-premises data center. Doing the name is there is no name for after that two missions are same configuration. Doing that way is selected for Ubuntu and free tier is 20.04. I'm selecting. After that, using in T2 medium, it's 2 CPU and 4 GB RAM. After the key pair, what's the key pair? There is no key pair, but this is the PEM key pair. Okay, and the configuration is the same, but you can choose 20 GB's configuration. Uh, okay, it is doing launch number of instances too. Is launch instance. See, the two instances launched, the same configuration is doing master. Master. Yeah. This is for node. Save it. Okay. This is the security group. Security group is I edit the inbound rules. The inbound rules, all traffic is enabled. Is doing this and save rules. Exactly. Again back and why two instances are running. The node is security group. The security group is inbound rules. Take all traffic is enabled. Yes. Save the rules. Okay. Go to instance. The two instances are running. To open the putty window. Putty window. No. IP address, host IP address, no, and auth key is desktop. This is the ppk file, and data is Ubuntu, and open. Yes, exactly. Nice, is doing well. The open new section. This is the Kubernetes Master. Another section is okay. The host name is changed first of all. Sudo space u. The root user. Clear the screen and host name. First typing host name. That is the host name. First host name. Host name. Master. Execute bash. Yes. First of all, to update the packages of Ubuntu machine, um, apt-get update. Yes, it's updated. This is the master. To clear the screen. Next node mission. Node mission is login. This new section. Authentication. This desktop. Data. Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Open. Yes. They are doing well. Open. Sudo. cd. Clear. Screen. Hostname. 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 Node. Node mission. Node. Execute bash. This is the node mission. That is the first of all package is data update. This is the master mission. This is the node mission. Okay. And these steps are followed in the EC2 Ubuntu machines in the on master and worker node. To step one is also all things are master and worker node. Step two is the only for master. First follow these steps to get kubectl commands or enable these commands to do first primarily. Copy and two things. This is also next thing, service docker restart. Copy Yes. Start. Next node machine also. Yeah. After that, some online packages are gathered to get into that mission and master mission. Okay. Node also. Mission also. Okay. That's good. And next thing is the Kubernetes IO, the documentation copy, paste it, enter, copy, paste it, enter. Once updated this thing, copy, everything is updated. The package is updated right now. Two machines are updated, but install kubeadm, kubectl, kubelet, and two machines. Paste it. Paste it. Yes, two or both are good. And step two is this is the generator for CI block to kubeadm init. Okay. This is only for master. For master. To generate the token, this token is kubeadm token is for in node server, connecting the node server. Okay, to the node server. And remaining commands is used for master. This is the command for master node. Yeah, kubectl get nodes on the control pane. See this node join the cluster. Okay. Uh, this is the commands doing well. The master, the, the this is the kubectl install configuration is completed. Okay. First check it, delete the screen, kubectl get nodes. You are connected no nodes. This one node is connected to ctl get namespaces are doing there. Kubectl get API API resources. Yes, API resources. Is the API resources. Okay, friends, thank you.